In this video, I'll go over how to fix a network error in CapCut PC. So there are 8 things that you can do. First, check your internet connection, so ensure your PC is connected to a stable network. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and wired connection to test stability, and restart your router if necessary. Next, you can restart CapCut, so go and close CapCut completely and make sure no background processes are running. Then reopen the app and see if the network error persists. Now disable VPN or proxy, so if you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily, since CapCut may block or fail to connect through certain VPNs. Then check firewall and antivirus, so go to your PC's firewall or antivirus settings and allow CapCut through the firewall and add it as an exception. Next, you can update CapCut, so open CapCut and check for updates or reinstall the latest version from the official website. Network errors can occur if the app version is outdated. Then go and clear the app cache. So navigate to the CapCut settings and then storage or cache and then clear cache. Then restart the app after clearing the cache. Next, go and check the server status. So sometimes network errors occur due to CapCut server issues. Wait and try again later if there is a temporary server outage. Finally, what you can do is reinstall CapCut. So uninstall CapCut completely and then reinstall the latest version. This restores any corrupted files that may cause network errors. So now you know how to fix a network error in CapCut PC. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.